One of the main things that was important to me this year on Bonfire night was me going on a mad ride. If you don't know, it's kind of like a tradition for me to go on some mad rides on Bonfire night, because I've done it every other Bonfire night I can remember. But on the way there, it was kind of long, I can't lie, it was like 2 hours or something like that. Obviously, when we finally got there, you know, I was thinking about it beforehand. I was like hyping myself up for the rides, and like I was like excited, but I was also very nervous at the same time. And then when we got there, we saw the ride, bro, it was mad, bro, because in my mind it was a different ride. I always have the idea in my mind of like the highest and like the scariest ride in my mind, but then when you see it in person, it always just changes perspective on the whole thing. But actually, should I even say that? Okay, yeah. No, that's something that I'm not gonna say, but you know, yeah. So I had to go on loads of smaller rides first, not by my choice. Yeah. But obviously went on the smaller rides first. The first one was like this car one. I should have recorded it actually, but I had plans to record a lot, but I just ended up not recording that much. But the first one was like a car one, and it's like a hill. Kind of felt like when you go down a hill in a car, to be honest, it was quite boring. It wasn't worth it at all, but you know, just went on it for the sake of it. The second one was, okay, so this one has a bit of backstory to it. Last year, this was the only ride I was too scared to go on, which doesn't make any sense, because last year I still went on the highest and scariest ride. But this one, it looked so mad because you went upside down and it just looked like such a thriller in my head. But I ended up going on it. To be honest, it wasn't as scary as I thought. It was actually quite easy. I couldn't really tell what was happening because you kept on going up and down. It was hard to just kind of get a grip of it in your mind of what's going on. And then, okay, this is where it actually gets good. I watched the fireworks, which by the way were absolutely, I was gonna say incredible, but that wasn't incredible. After the fireworks, I went on the scariest ride. See, this was the one I was thinking about for like, literally I had training on that Saturday, and then after training all I was thinking about was just that one roller coaster, bro. And I didn't even know it was going to be that one, because I didn't know we was going to the same one we went to last year. I think it was the same one, I'm not actually sure. I have to say the scariest part wasn't even the ride itself, it was when you were in the line, especially after you've already paid the money to go on the ride, because after you pay the money there's no going back. You can come out of the line if you haven't paid money yet, but when you've already paid the money, it's like, what are you meant to do now? And now you're just waiting to go on the ride, and you have to think about it. And that part was actually the scariest part. But then when I actually got on it, I was expecting to feel a bit more emotions, and I mean, not when I was actually going on the ride. I mean, when I just got on the ride and they're like, put your seatbelt thing on. I expected to feel more in that moment. I wasn't actually that nervous because I went on that ride like at least 3 times minimum by now. But to be honest here, there wasn't even that much butterflies. So the only time I really got like butterflies was when I was at the very top and I was in the peak of the ride. I doing some mad stuff like showboating and that.
Down, pull your bar back down, let's go again.
That was funny though, you know. Do it again.